All right, hello. This is just to show you a really cool little extension that you can use to draw and type on PDFs or documents that aren't just like Google Docs. So the thing is called Cami. So if you Google Cami extension, you can click on here and go to the Chrome Web Store. From here, you'll be able to either add or see that you've already added this extension. I think I pushed it out to 5th and 6th grade just tonight, so we'll see if that works. If it says installed already, that means it's already installed. If not, it should have the option to install it. And you can check by clicking the little puzzle piece here. And you can see here's Cami extension. So my computer right now already has it. So for this, I created a Google Classroom assignment with, whoops, I accidentally deleted that. Let's see if it shows up here. With this PDF here. So this PDF is something you won't be able to type on. So what you'll want to do is either open with Cami here or open with right here and click annotate with Cami. So you can't like type onto it regularly, but if you do this open with Cami, it will let you. Now it'll probably ask you if you're a student. Go ahead and say, yes, I'm a student, I'm using this for school, and then accept it. It also may ask you for permission to use your Google Drive, and that is totally okay, so that way it can save your files. So as soon as this loads, you'll see that it is going to be, and it'll always say recognize text. I just go ahead and hit no thanks. So here's this worksheet. This is for music class, day 14. And just to help us keep organized, I'm going to change this and just call it Cami Test Day 14 Worksheet. So here's the different things that we need to do. Excuse me, I've got the hiccups now. Say I want to put in a text box to answer this question here. You just click. And there's your text box. So I can see that like I'm doing some addition. This is 2 beats plus 1 beat. That's 3 beats. There's my answer there. Okay, I'm ready to do this one over here. Today we learned that dotted half notes are 3 and quarter notes 1. So that's going to give me 4 beats. Maybe I don't quite like where that one is. I can move it up and down. If I decided I didn't want that one there, you can click the little X and just delete it. Pretty quick and easy. So I'm going to put that 4 in again. If you get to something where you need to draw, like you would do this with a pencil, like here, this says draw on the bar lines. If you click on the drawing tool, you can select the color you want to do. You can also select how thick or thin your pen mark is. I'm going to just do 2 for now. So I'm counting here. I know that there needs to be a bar line. Boom, I just draw it in there. So that's pretty easy. Maybe I want to put my name on it. So I'm going to put Mr. Q up top. Wow, this is a little harder than I thought it would be. Should probably have just typed it, but there we go. All right, so now I'm ready to turn it in for pretend. Now you see this turn in button here, but you won't be able to hit turn in. It'll give you an error. So instead what you want to do is hit save now. So we're going to save it. And then let's go over into the Google Classroom assignment, and I'm going to add in an assignment. So I just saved that to my Google Drive, and now I need to upload it into Google Classroom for the assignment. So because that was my most recent assignment, here it is, Cami Test Day 14 Worksheet. Let's just go ahead and try that. Nope, it failed. File already attached. Oh, okay. So I think I need to get rid of this original one and add my new one. That's where we were when we started. So I'm going to add from Google Drive. And let's go in and so Cami Test Day 14 Worksheet. That's what I called it. And we're going to just add it there. Sure, we can do that. Okay, let's turn it in and turn in. So now from the teacher's side, just to see what that looks like when you turn in a Cami Test assignment. So let's see. Here's my computer. I guess I'll try this. I'm going to open it up and just make sure it looks good. So I go to the turned in work, and here is what I just turned in. So you can see like on the top I wrote Mr. Q in big letters. There you should see the answers that we've typed in. So I noticed that sometimes when you preview it, it doesn't necessarily show it. Like here it's not showing it for some reason. But if you again open it with Cami, I believe it'll still show what you've already like what your changes have been. So just kind of weird that sometimes it does that. Sometimes you have to like go all the way into the file to see what you're working on and stuff. So you can see it's got the same title as what we renamed that other one. So let's just make sure that our drawings show up here. So there's all our drawings. So if you needed to edit something, you could do that way. So I hope that helps, and good luck. If you have questions about Kami, please let me know.